So I decided to compete in a tournament this Saturday. And get this, I am 6 months pregnant. Look how huge I am. I never once thought that I could gain, I think I've gained like 20 pounds now, which is so crazy because you remember when I competed, I had to weigh fin weight, so under 101 pounds. And where did this belly come from? I'm wearing pants. I had to borrow them from one of my sisters because mine, like none of my clothes fit me anymore, guys. Not only did I decide to compete when I'm pregnant this weekend, but it's also a form that I haven't done in like years. I need to relearn it. I don't know it. Like I looked at a video and I honestly don't know it. And I know that the last time I competed with this, like 6+ years ago, I actually forgot the form like while in competition. So everything's all set up for me to do great. It's a Utah State tournament. My only goal is honestly to get through the form because I don't even know if I can kick. The biggest reason why I decided to compete and sign up for this is just because I want to keep, like staying fit, staying healthy. So I've been doing lots of hikes, lots of walking, and just watching what I eat to make sure I'm having a good, nutritious like pregnancy. So one of the other things I want to do is obviously keep up with my Taekwondo. I have 3 more months, so I'm going into the 3rd trimester, and let's just get right to the video and relearn a form with me. So I just watched the video on this Poomsae. I think I have at least part of it down. So if you know all the black belt forms, this is Sipjin. So I'm pretty sure I start in a normal Jumbi stance. If you know this form and you're good at Poomsae, just work with me, be patient. So from here, I go up, and then 1, 2, I think. It looks a lot slower on the video, but I remember when I did it, it had to be like 1, 2, like right after the other. But in the video, I swear it goes like, and it just feels wrong. I actually have to move this. Bosu ball. Okay, anyway, so I'm just gonna work through it really quick. Ready, set, and so Jumbi. That's a key up. Oh shoot. Yeah, okay, got this. That was wrong. Yeah, something like that. Oh gosh, this is not going well. No room, so I'm adjusting. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust forward so I can do the back part. So from here. Oh my gosh. Okay, try that again, wrong hand. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna end up like this. So it needs to be this hand open, this hand closed. Okay, try that again. Oh, that was horrible. Back stance. And then I go, I think. Is that fast or slow? I can't even remember now. I'm gonna keep the kick slow. Oh, I think my thumbs are supposed to be in, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna keep the kick slow because I haven't warmed up yet. Punch, right? From here or from here? I think I do the kicks, so, right? I'm gonna have to check the video. And then, wait, other foot moves. Okay, obviously that was the first run through. I'm gonna pause the video for a second while I like work on this whole form because obviously that needs a lot of help. And then I'll do another video at the end of the workout. So let's hope I get better by the end of this because I have 2 days left. Okay, I just finished practicing it a few times. I can't go too hard when I do workouts now because my hips really don't like the standing on one leg and turning on one leg motions. But that's okay. So what I decided to do is to put on my old Poomsae. So this is my actual Poomsae like top. I don't think it's gonna fit, but we're gonna try it. And realistically, I probably have to switch over to the bigger one. That's not terrible, is it? All right, let's see what it actually looks like. I don't think my belt's gonna fit, and I forgot to order a new one, so. Is this the direction it goes? Okay, this is great, right? Like you can't even tell I'm pregnant. I just look like I gained a bit of weight in the past couple of years. Let's try this belt thing on. It's gonna have to go like under my belly. I'm not enjoying the way this is feeling. Oh, this is gonna look absurd. I'm gonna have to borrow someone else's belt. Really? You can't even see my name. Like, is it weird if I go this low? You're just gonna loosen it. Can I kick if it's this low? Yeah, okay. All right, so for the real thing, I'm gonna borrow someone else's belt, but for today, this is how it's gonna be. Look how absurd this looks. My belt is like teeny tiny. Let's see the progress I've made, and there's only one of the forms, by the way. Okay, so I just watched back that Poomsae. Overall, not as terrible as I thought, but still like not something I would be happy with if I had been training up for this. So for now, I'm just happy that I can get through the Poomsae without many confusions. Unless like you just watch that back and you're like, you totally missed a whole section. I always worry about that because I did do that at a tournament before. Anyway, we're not gonna have any bad vibes out here. I feel really good. I'm gonna call it a workout session right now. Like that's gonna be the end just because I don't wanna push it, especially because, like I said, a few weeks ago, I had such bad pain. Like literally the day after that I decided that I was gonna compete in Poomsae, I had such bad pain in my hips that it hurt to walk. So I'm just not gonna take any chances. Like I said, my only goal is to go out there and keep doing what I love to do in Taekwondo. It'll be a fun memory to look back on like later on once I actually have my kid with me. Oh, it's gonna be great. Anyway, if you have any tournaments coming up, then I would love to hear about it. Leave me a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching my videos. I will see you guys all in the next video where I will include a video of my competition and how that went. I'll see you guys all later. Have an awesome week training.